Good morning, sir.
Okay, fine. Good morning, children. How many came? Let me check how many came. Oh, not bad. 10 only, no? Tell me, our chapter, I know, chapter triangles. In triangles, main theorems are there. One is Pythagoras theorem. You studied before. The proof is needed for the Pythagoras theorem. Another one, BP-Dioltay's theorem. Many theorems are there, but you studied before. I need extension of that only. That is my first question I told you. You told me that means triangle is the baby polygon. Yes, triangle is a baby polygon. Circle is not a polygon because it is not a circle is not made of line segment. Polygon means closed figure made up of line segment. Okay, so think about that. Baby polygon triangles. Our chapter is about the triangle. Tell me which is the highest polygon. Which is the highest polygon? Please. Anybody, please? Number of sides must be there. Tell me, please. We cannot say. We studied triangle smallest one, then quadrilateral four-sided closed figure, then pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon, decagon, like that is going on. Century, 100 line segment, then infinity, many, we cannot say. Anyway, our chapter is baby polygon. I told you about the triangles. Chapter 5, triangles. Now, first thing, tell me what you know about the triangles. All of you, please be active. Is a starting a lesson only. Lesson is not hard because new scenario, no need of proof of all the theorems. Only the proof of 2 theorems you need for examination point of view. Then other theorem you have to study for doing the problems. Anyway, let us try. What you studied about the triangle? Or what you studied about the, you heard the word congruency?
Yes.
You heard the word similarity? If you did, you are going to hear that. Maybe first time you are hearing similarity. What is congruency? I am not talking about triangles. What is similarity? 2 figures are similar. Okay, sir. Here. I can show you here in my hand. What is this? Can you see anything?
Pen.
How many pens?
2.
Am I right? Are they similar?
Sir, yes, one is blur. Can you make it?
Okay, so the
Yes, sir, it's ready.
okay. Similar this one.
But tip of the pen, one is white and one is red.
Okay, fine. Now listen here. Now you are coming to the point, I think so. Here. Similar. 2 pens are similar. That means in math, we are considering similarity means everywhere exactly same. That means how can you decide exactly same? How? By looking you can see, or measuring you can see exactly same. That means if you are taking a book, look the book here, one book is the, what is the shape of the book? It's a circle?
No, rectangle.
Rectangle. What is the shape of this book? Rectangle. It is a rectangle. We can, after that we can say cuboid, something like, but plain figure I am talking about rectangle. First we are checking the shape of the object. No need of plain figure, maybe solid. So take the object and check the shape. Okay, rectangles. That means shape is rectangle. And after that, we have to measure, we have to see the size of the book. Rectangle, what do you by size of a rectangle?
Length.
Length and breadth. You have to measure length. Length is 20 centimeter. Other length is 15 centimeter. Breadth is 18 centimeter. Other breadth is 12 centimeter. No, so it is not exactly same. It is not similar items. First thing is, no, sorry, congruency. I'm talking about last year chapter, congruency. Congruency means exactly same. Exactly same. Two shapes, size and shape, two objects, size and shape must be same. I told you here, exactly same, here, exactly same. Now here also it is exactly same. That means if you are shape and size, I'm talking about shape and size. Now we studied, if you are taking A4 paper, another A4 paper, you know it is a rectangle. If you are keeping on that, we cannot see. I have A4 paper here. One A4 paper, another A4 paper. So you cannot see what is another. If I am keeping like this, another behind that you cannot see. That is exactly same. In short, don't confuse. Congruency means exactly same. Congruent figure. After the triangle congruency you studied, which are the congruency of a triangle?
A.
Congruency of a triangle. You have to check that. I don't think A congruency is there.
SS.
SSS is there. SAS is there.
ASA.
ASA, I can say AAS, no need of ASA. That is Indian concept only, ASA. Two angles and one side. International level, you can see AAS. Any two angles and one side, because if two angles are equal, third angle is equal. Why are you doing the two ASA? No. You can study, but it is AAS. Corollary we are talking about. Then RHS. Anyway, what I am telling, congruency we studied last year, so it is very easy. Similarity. Congruency means exactly same. Two triangles are congruent. You had to check SSS, all sides are equal. First thing we have to see for congruency, how many objects we need. How many objects we need? One object, congruency, similarity. One object is there. See, you can see one object. This is a hemisphere, I can say. Is this congruent or is this similar? Tell me.
It's only one.
Yes, one we cannot. Like ratio, we study comparison, at least two we need. Comparison by division, but congruency, we can see in the definition itself, congruency, similarity, two or more, at least two. Now see, one more is here. See, one sphere, hemisphere. Congruent. Exactly same. That means shape is same, size is same. You know the sphere. I told you many times, circle, I like circle. I like sphere. Don't think it because it is football now. Circle is a VIP. Only the thing, the radius. If you know the radius, you know everything about it. Like Rahul Gandhi or anybody like that. I think Rahul is coming Chandamangaluru today. Everybody know if you are sending a letter to him or to Modi, he will get it. But if you are sending a letter to Abdullah sir, no, I cannot get. I'm not a VIP.
Sir,
So
what
circle-
we can add address and send to you.
Address is needed. That is why not VIP. Simply you are telling a famous or Sachin Tendulkar, he will get it. Here only we need radius. Circle we need radius. What is the area of a circle?
Yes, sir.
What is the perimeter of circle?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
What is the circumference of a circle?
2 pi
2
r.
pi r.
What is the volume of a circle?
3 by
3
4
pi
pi
r.
r cube.
Circle has no volume, my dear. How your bangle has volume? Circle has no volume. Circle 3 dimension is there, that is in my hand, this is the sphere. This is the sphere 3 dimension, 4 by 3 pi r cube. After that, many things are there. We will come to that. Class 7, class 9, you studied anyway. Now, what I am talking? This congruent. These two figures, two solid hemisphere are congruent. Radius is equal. That is why two circles are congruent. Do you think circle shape is like a rectangle? Two circle, can you see? No. We have to check shape and size. Size different. We have to see that all circle shape is same. All square shape is same. All line segment shape is same. Line and line segment understand the difference. We cannot draw a line. We can represent a line only. A line segment has how many points?
2.
A line segment has only 2 points. Who told you?
Many ones.
Many points are there, but 2 endpoints. A line has no endpoints. You cannot draw. If you are drawing a line, it is going on through all the year. You have to draw from India to Antarctica is going on. I am talking about line. But line segment and 2 endpoints are there. A ray has 1 endpoint, that is the starting point. Anyway, I am talking about the congruency. Now, here, another one is the sphere. Do you think these two are congruent? Are they congruent? Why not?
That
Please
Right
don't
ones.
disturb who is talking. Why it is not? Sir, you told me shape. It is a sphere. It is another sphere. We are not talking about color. Why it is not congruent?
allowable area is less.
Okay. One is big and one is small. Can I? One is big, one is small. That means size is different. You can say area, you can say volume. Doesn't matter measurement. Size is different. So congruency means exactly same. So a circle, you can add that a circle, 2 circles with dash is always congruent. What is that? 2 circles having same. I told you circle is a VIP, only the things radius. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, yes, sir. 2 circles or sphere of same radius are congruent. Two spheres of same radius, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, they are congruent. Two circle also, radius are same congruent. Are you following me? What I'm telling? ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes, sir.
No. What about the square? All square size is same. 90-degree angle is same. Square means a parallelogram. 90-degree angle. All sides are equal. That means two squares are always congruent. If their what?
Length is
Side is same. Side length of the side is a square. Two squares congruent if the side is same. We cannot say two rectangle. Two rectangle congruent means length and breadth must be same. Two line segment always congruent. Do you agree with me? Two line segment always congruent. Do you agree with me? Think. What is the shape of a line segment?
Straight line.
Straight line. So there is no confusion about the shape of the line, but what is the size? So two line segment, let me share the screen. Two line segment with what? Tell me. Two line segment with, or if there,
same length.
if their length of the line segment is say 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, so line is a line. This is another line. Shape is same, but size is different. So if I am extending or another this one and this one, 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, line I'm talking about line. So therefore, so there is no confusion about the congruency. Shape must be same and size must be same. Now, please. Many things are there. Do you think two cats are they congruent? രണ്ട് പൂച്ചകള് congruent ആണോ? അല്ല പൂച്ചക്കുട്ടികള്. Are they congruent? Hello. Two dogs, are they congruent?
No.
Sir,
What happened?
can you repeat it?
You know two cats,
Yes.
are they congruent?
No.
No.
Okay, fine. Shape, size. Shape is same, I think so, but size we have to think of. Now listen here. Can you see with me? What is this? Can you see? A circle for me, circle. Another one. Do you think both are congruent? You cannot see it. Can you see?
Yes.
You can check congruent or not. What I am doing, it must be exactly same. Look, if I am keeping this and this. No, sir. Another one you can see. One is big and one is small. They are not congruent. See, you can see this part is outside. But from here I am coming to the similarity. I can say both are similar. These are not congruent, but these both are similar. Both are similar. Because it is a circle shape. Shape is circle. And here also shape is circle. I know one is small, one is big. So similarity means two figures. You are talking about similarity. Two figures similar means what I can say. Congruency, I told you. Two figures congruent. First I told congruent. That means exactly same. Congruent. Congruency. Exactly same. Shape and size are same. Now I'm coming to the similarity. Similarity of figures. That means two figures or two objects, if their shape is same, not necessarily the size. Doesn't matter, size also same. So don't confuse. Shape and size are same. That is congruent figures, congruent shape, congruent objects. Many example I told you. Now, two objects, shape is same. Shape is same. Maybe size same, doesn't matter. But it is not compulsory the size same. If their shape is same, they are similarity. Now I can extend this one. Two cats. Shape is same, sir. Similar. Two circles. Sir, shape is same. Maybe big or small, doesn't matter. Two circles are always similar. Two squares. Sir, yes. Two squares always similar. No rectangle, I'm talking about square. For congruency, what I told you, two squares are always congruent. And the square always congruent or not?
Same length.
If the side is same, they are congruent. Radius is same, the two circles are congruent. Here the similarity, no need. Shape is circles, all circles are congruent. So I can say similar. Now here, all what I can say squares are similar. All squares are similar. So similarity means shape is same. Now sphere, is it similar? Similar. Similar this one. One more thing, we can extend that if it is similarity and congruency, we studied the circle or ring, whatever. Another one. Exactly same. Exactly same. And keeping that on top, you cannot see another one. We see it is exactly same. So there is no confusion, it is congruent. But be careful, my question here, two circles are here. Do you think are they similar? They are similar or not?
Yes.
Why?
Ratio circles.
Yes, sir, it is congruent. If it is congruent, that is similar. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures must not be congruent. That is why be careful. Congruency means shape and size are same. Similarity means shape is same and size must not be. Maybe or may not be, doesn't matter. That is about the similarity. Now please write. Write down. Please. This is everything in the textbook only I explained. Class 8, class 9, class 10. So please read it. All of you please write triangles. Chapter 6 triangles. Chapter 6 triangles. Now, please open page number 118. 118, all of you. 118, page number 118. Before also you had to read. You studied in class 9 like that. Many things are there. How can you measure the length of the Himalaya like that? Many things are there. Now, what I told, everything is the similar figures. Circles are there, squares are there, but triangle, be careful. Another one. Last page, no, 6 figure 6.2. Page number 118. 118. Page number 118. 6.2. What about that figure? First is circle. Are they similar?
Yes.
Second is square. They are similar. Now, what about third one? I will tell you that is triangle that we are going to study. Then what about the next figure? 6.2. What is the name of that figure? After triangle, what is the name of the figure? Aisha Dia, figure 6.2, what is the name of the figure? Aisha Dia, please. Shahad, figure 6.2, what is the name of the figure? Are you there or not? I can see 25s are there, 25 children are there. You kept the lab there and went for playing or sleeping. Mazin, what is the name of figure 6.2?
So trapezium.
How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, no? Exactly, it is trapezium. Good. All of you clap for him. This polygon is a trapezium, more accurate trapezium. So, okay, good. That's it. Now, this we have to study. Are they congruent? No, are they similar? Sir, how, sir? You told me similarity means we have to go and see the shape same like that. Yes, for that certain criteria, sir. Certain special cases are there. That is why for triangle, for this like that. Now, please, all of you, please. As observed in the case, all squares are similar, all equilateral triangles are similar. One more thing I forgot. Equilateral triangle. Do you think all equilateral triangles are congruent?
Yes, sir. If the angles are
That equilateral triangle means angle will be same. What is the angle of an equilateral triangle?
no, sir. But the second triangle's angle must be same.
Angle will be same, my dear. See, this is T. If it's
Sir,
equilateral,
the length of the side.
that is it. We cannot say, oh, see, this is 10. So this is all that 10, Suppose this is 7. They are not congruent, sir. They are not congruent. They are not congruent. You know what is congruency? You know that congruency, this no? Am I right or not? Congruency. Similarity, this top one only, this one, similar. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. This is the notation. This is similarity. And sorry, this congruency we studied before. This what is congruency equal to a top of that span. Congruency notation what is last year?
Yes, sir.
Now it is similarity, this one only, this notation. One more thing I can add. Equilateral triangles are not congruent if the sides are equal. Squares are not congruent if the sides are equal. Now, let me extend. all equilateral triangles are congruent. What is the magic, sir? Yes, shape is same. Size we are not bothered about, but we are bothered about the triangle. It is coming, the ratio is coming, proportional. It is coming. So now you have to understand that all equilateral triangles are congruent, all squares are congruent, all lines segment are congruent. No, similar, sorry, all are similar. Change it, similar. All are similar, similar, similar. I mean similarity now, congruency over. Now after that, from the above, we can say that all congruent figures are similar, but the similar figures need not be congruent. Italics, highlight it. All similar figures need not be congruent, but all congruent shapes must be similar. Highlight it. Now please write next, after highlight, write congruency. Congruency, right? If, write the definition congruency, last year's. Two figures are said to be congruent. Shape, and if their shape and size, shape and size, if their shape and size are same. Example, you can write your own, give the gap there.
Sir, can you say it once more?
Two figures are said to be congruent. It is in the textbook. Two figures are congruent if their shapes and size are same. Congruency. Two figures are congruent if their shapes and size are same. Example, you can write your own. 3 examples you have to write, because I explain many things. Now similarity. Can you write the examples?
Sir, draw the.
You can write. Draw and write doesn't matter. Suppose drawing, you have to mention that. You can draw two square.
You can draw two figures and give the sides.
No, you have to name them. Suppose examination name will be
ABC.
not ABC like that. You can say example 1, 2 squares with same side. One example is over. One is drawing 2 squares of same side, 2 equilateral triangle of same side, 2 circle of same radius, 2 line segment of same length, many things. Now similarity. What is similarity? Write the similarity. Hamdan, are you there? Hamdan?
Yes, sir.
I know. Kalolsava is there. You have to participate only half an hour. You must be active in that. I am watching your programs. Very nice. Excellent. All the children, I know, especially class 10. Now similarity. I am also very eager to see. I want to finish this one. Similarity, something. What is similarity? Tell me. I told you what is similarity. Tell me. Laksha Naushad, please tell me what is similarity.
If their shapes are similar, if the shapes are same and but the sizes, ratio of sizes will not be same, will be same, but all the
Okay, anybody please help her. She is coming to the point. Ashtradev, she is adding. Okay, please, anybody please Asil? Who is the Rasal Asil? Anybody please clarify it?
If the shape is, the figure is same,
Figure is same.
the shape is
Not clear, not clear. More clear I need because similarity is a chapter. Janna?
all congruent figures.
Okay, okay. Janna, please tell them.
In similarity, their shape only want to be same, shape and angle.
Anybody please clarify. More clarification need.
Ratio of their sides should be equal.
Okay. It is compulsory for similarity, the size must be same.
No,
Is this compulsory for the congruency, the size must be same?
Yes.
All similar figures are congruent.
No.
No.
All congruent figures are similar.
Yes.
Yes, right. Then right. Two figures are similar if their shapes are same. Two figures or three figures or objects are congruent if their shapes are same. We are talking about plane figure here. If their shapes are same, we are silent about the size. That means size may be, may not be. As before I told you, those who got good mark in maths, please come. Please hands up. Okay, suppose 2, 3, they got 90, 90, 20 like that. But one girl is telling, or one boy, she's got 20 in English also. She's not handsome. She's not coming. Sir, I am not coming because I got good mark in English also. No, you have to come. That is good. That means similarity figures hands up. Sir, our shape is same. But one or two is the sir, our size also same. That is not, you are not, no, you have to come. Only thing size, shape is same. Yes, you are similar. No need of talking too much. No need of thinking too much. Like in Quran, it is the Israel, they're asking what kind of cow, like that, many things. Last you will be in trouble. Anyway, what I am telling here, similarity, I understood. I think I understood. No, you understood this. That means shapes of figures are same. Puzzle, tell me an example of similarity. Two figures. Maybe your house, many things are there. Here, many things. I brought here, many things are here. Any example of similar? Look, can you see this one?
Yes.
Now, another one. Are they similar? Are they similar? No, its shape is different. It is another vessel. No. So, look here. And you can see. Yes, similar. They are similar. No, similarity means shapes are same. Write two example, all of you fast. Similarity. Examples. Example of similarity. Example.
Can you say that node once more two figures are similar?
No, not clear, not clear. Your sound is not clear. I don't know what. Example, tell me what is example. Anybody, please. I share the example of similarity. Aishwarya, where are you?
Two squares of same shape but not same size.
Can you see
No,
the
no, no,
explanation
no, no,
once
no,
more?
no. Listen. Square will be shape will be
Sir,
same always. Square shape.
explanation, can you see once more?
Which one? Similarity means shape same. That means two square, always shape of the square is same. You are not talking about the size of the square. Maybe this is 10, this may be 15, doesn't matter. Square will be always square, shape will be. Similarity means shape is same. Two figures are similar if their shape is same. So write example, two squares are always similar. Two squares, two equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangle, no need to all equilateral triangles, all squares. No need of two. Squares are similar, equilateral triangles are similar, circles are similar. Are you following or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Circle
Yes, sir.
similar, alle?
Yes.
Can I say all line segments are similar? Yes. One line segment, another line, they're similar, shape is same. Maybe length different, doesn't matter. All line segments are similar. So I can extend that all cats are similar, dogs similar, like that similar. Now, please come to the textbook. You can see beautiful picture of, what picture of that? In page number 119, what is that? 6.3, what is that? Taj Mahal, am I right? When you are visualizing this, you will see, you will remember, imagine all stories, all reality, Shah Jahan, Nur Jahan, many things are there, Aurangzeb, like that, many things. Anyway, here what I am telling, one is, see, size is different, no? Rectangle here, see here, then another one, small. So now we are considering this one. These shapes, rectangles, that is similarity, the shape is same. Then after that, one more thing we can see, proportional ratio. Ratio is that means scale factor. You know your photograph. This is my photograph. You can see my different photograph. Here is one thing. One is a big one, big size. This is passport PP size. This is another. This is maybe stamp, like that only. These all are similar. Because photography, those who know, they know that proportion is there. If it is 10, it may be 5. It may be 2 and 5, 2.5, like that. A proportion we can see. Shape is same, and size, that means sides, length and breadth will be proportional, that is why. Now you can see, after reading, you can see everything is there. Line segment, photograph, enlargement. This is enlargement of this one. And this is the small size of this one. In enlargement, we are doing similarity. Congruency, no similarity we are doing. Now last 1.119, last paragraph. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Please read it. Page number 119. After Taj Mahal, we are talking about photography enlargement. The ratio is there. If you are not following any word, please ask me. Enlargement is the ratio is there. I told you, you had to ask you had to read the textbook pages because questions are inside the pages. Ratio, enlargement, and one more thing you can see, scale factor is there. Scale factor. Then if you understood enlargement ratio, please read this one. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That is what Nasha or others told me this one. They told from here, ratio. Okay, that means proportion. Now we are coming to the two polygons. Generally, we talk about all the figures, all the plane figures. Sometimes the object also, cats, dogs, like that. Now, we are minimizing to polygons. After that, we are talking about the triangles. If it is a polygon, we have to check angles are equal. Triangle is a polygon. A triangle has three angles. Suppose another triangle here. We are talking about this angle. Suppose this is ABC and this is PR or PQR. B is equal to correspondence must be the B. Angles. Angle P that is equal to angle A, suppose. Suppose this is 50. Suppose this is 70. Very fast you can say. Suppose this is one angle is here. 70 here. And listen me carefully. Think about this one. What about this one? Can I say all angles are equal? Please open your eyes. Strike. It's a polygon. Do you agree it is a polygon? Triangle polygon, alle?
Yes.
Yes, react fast. Now tell me, they are telling same number of sides. Yes, three sides are there. That is okay. Their corresponding angles are equal. What do you mean by angles? Corresponding angle? Yes. Angle B, maybe angle R. Angle A, maybe angle P, like that only that we can check. My question is 70-70, but 50-60. So these two triangles. What about the angles of a triangle? Are they equal? Think. Nafi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Fasal avadunda?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, angles are equal or not? These two triangle angles equal or not?
Equal ആണ് പക്ഷെ സാറേ ഇത് എത്തുള്ളൂ.
Equal ആക്ക് please. 70-60, 70-50. എങ്ങനെ equal ആണ്?
6-17.
Yes, come on, that is what I want. Yes.
6-17.
70-70 here. 60-50 ആണ് ഇവിടെ.
16. 16.
No, I wrote 50 only. You cannot change my handwriting. This 50-60. ഇത് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്? ഞാൻ തെറ്റിയൊന്നല്ല, ഞാൻ ശരിക്കാ എഴുതിയത്.
അല്ല, ഇത് ഈക്വൽ അല്ല.
ഈക്വൽ അല്ല, ഉറപ്പാണോ? രാവിലെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല.
അവിടെ തെറ്റി, നമ്മളെ കാണട്ടെ. അപ്പൊ നീ ചിന്തിക്കൂല. നാഫിയെ?
Yes.
What about this? These two triangles, angles equal ആണോ?
അല്ല സാർ.
അല്ല, ഉറപ്പാണല്ലേ? Okay. Now listen, all of you, please. Where are they? Husna, are they equal? Angles are equal? ആരെങ്കിലും എന്നെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യും? ഞാൻ പറയുന്ന angles are equal ആണ്. ഫസൽ പറയുന്നത്, നാഫി പറയുന്നത്. Anybody? Leon, do you agree with me? All angles are equal. I am talking about all angles of the triangles are equal. What sir is telling? ഞാൻ രാവിലെ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ കഴിച്ചാ വന്നത്. Sorry.
സർ വരച്ച ചിത്രം ഈക്വൽ
വരച്ച ചിത്രം ഈക്വൽ ആണ് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നത്. എനിക്ക് തെറ്റിയില്ല. I think so. Anybody?
ഈക്വൽ.
Or equal ആണോ?
Yes sir.
All angles are equal ആണോ?
Yes.
Why? എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഈക്വൽ ആണ്? ഒന്ന് 70 ഒന്ന് 50 അല്ല കാണുന്ന ആംഗിൾസ് ഈക്വൽ ആണോ ചോദിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. അമീൻ.
Yes, sir.
180 അല്ലേ?
That is അതാ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ട. നിങ്ങളത് പറയാത്ത യു നോ ദാറ്റ്. നിങ്ങൾക്കത് അറിയാം, പക്ഷെ പറയുന്നില്ല. സാറ് തെറ്റിയതാണ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്നെ പേടിച്ചിട്ടോ. Why are you scaring me? ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളെ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രണ്ട് അല്ലേ? As a 1 multiplication of 1 best friend I told you, not the 0. 0 is the enemy for multiplication. Here you can see. That is why I am waiting. Here 60, 60, 70, 60. This will be 50. Am I right? എങ്ങനെ 50 കിട്ടിയ ഫസലത്?
120 and 180.
180. Okay. Here 50, 60. See here. 50 plus 70, 120, 60, 60, 60, 70, 70, 50, 50. These two triangles are similar, but we have to see which angle. Triangle A, first angle A. Here, do you like the similarity? Here A is equal to P. Proportion is the corresponding. That means congruency we study. Corresponding CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT like A, P, B, would be B, Q, 7D. Then R is last one. C, R. Then only ABC congruent, similar to PQR. All angles are equal. Two polygons are similar if all angles are equal. And one more thing, corresponding sides are in the ratio. Okay, fine. I am writing here, this is 10. AB, PQ. Where is PQ? This may be 20, suppose, or double 20. Then you have to take BC. In the figure you can see BC. Suppose this is BC is 8. QR, that is 16. Now, one more thing is the AC. AC may be, I can say this is 3. Maybe this is 6. Now, first condition I told you, angles are equal. Angles are equal, മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? Angles equal, equilateral triangles similar അല്ല. All equilateral triangles are similar. Okay, fine. Congruency. Here, one more thing. It is not an equilateral triangle. The equilateral triangle or no?
No.
No.
No, sir.
We have to check the sides are proportional. Now, take AB by PQ. What is AB by PQ? 10 by? Tell me, dear. 10 by 20, am I right?
Yes.
What is this? 1:2, half, 1:2. Now, everything you can check like that only. BC by QR. BC by QR. That is equal to 8 by 16. That is 1/2, 1:2. Then last, AC and PR. AC and PR, AC, and what is another one? Okay, AC by PQ, AC by PQ, good, AC by PQ. So that is also we can see 3 by PR is 6, AC by PR, that is 3 by 6, that is half. Everywhere you can see 1:2, 1:2, 1:2. That means true triangles ABC similar to triangle PQR because corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are
Equal.
proportional, not equal. Corresponding sides are proportional. That is it. So please read again that I explained. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. അതൊന്ന് ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എന്തായാലും നോട്ട്ബുക്കിൽ എഴുതണം. ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു ഇപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ രസമായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞെങ്കിലും വളരെ സീരിയസ് ആയിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു. Similarity, congruency to similarity, similarity to we came to polygon, we came to triangle. In this സംഭവം ഈസിയാണ് because SAS, SSS, എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ച same thing. Please highlight 2 polygons. Now write it note. Write down.
Time
Two.
out.
Sorry.
Time.
Okay. ഇത് നോട്ടിൽ എഴുതണം. 2 polygons of the same number of sides are similar. കണ്ടില്ലേ? ആ നോട്ട് എഴുതാ. എന്നിട്ട് ഇതെല്ലാം വായിച്ചു നോക്കുക. എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട് അതിൽ. എക്സാമ്പിൾ എല്ലാം 3.5 square like that. Then 6.1 എല്ലാം നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യണം. Fill in the blanks. Exercise 6.1. കാണുന്നുണ്ടോ? Page number 122.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 6.1. ഇനി after that what I am telling വളരെ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റിംഗ് ആയ കാര്യമാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? What here അതിന്റെ ശേഷം നിങ്ങൾ you can do one thing. നിങ്ങൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇയർ പഠിച്ചത് തന്നെയാണ് സംഭവം. കുറെ എക്സസൈസ് 6.3 6.2 അല്ല 6.3 അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കുറെ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഉണ്ട്. പേജ് നമ്പർ 139. മറ്റേ അവോയ്ഡ് omitted അല്ല. പേജ് നമ്പർ 139 you can see figure 6.34 അതെല്ലാം ഒന്ന് ചെയ്തു നോക്കുക. State which triangles are similar. പേജ് നമ്പർ കണ്ടില്ലേ? 139.
Yes, sir.
First one only. Here also 6.1. First and second 3 easy one. That is the homework. Okay then. ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പോവാം. You can 1 or 2 minutes
Yes,
only. Any doubt you can ask. All are present, I think so. എന്തെങ്കിലും സംശയം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. Similarity.